Hi Junior Giants! Today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own Newton's Cradle.
This project is best suited for those 13 and up, but anyone can try it.
In case you're unfamiliar, this is what a Newton's Cradle looks like.
Before we get started building our own projects, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about the physics behind the contraption. It was named after mathematician and scientist Sir Isaac Newton because he was the one who came up with the very important principles of physics, and they are demonstrated in Newton's Cradle. Conservation of energy means that energy cannot be created or destroyed. In theory, the balls would not stop moving once set into motion, but they are acted on by another force called friction. Friction is essentially acting upon the balls in the opposite direction, which in turn slows them down. The conservation of momentum is demonstrated when the stationary ball on the far end reaches the same height as the ball that was released on the other side of the contraption, and it will reach it at the same speed that the ball was released. Do you see the ball on the far left raising to the same height as the ball on the right? That shows that momentum is being conserved. The balls continuing to move shows the conservation of energy. The balls slowing down slightly shows that friction is in play.
For this project, you'll need the following items: 2 hangers or sticks or anything straight to attach the string to, any type of tape, scissors, any type of string, yarn, or fishing line, and 4 to 6 same size balls. It can be a baseball, golf ball, marble, or any type of sphere you have.
And last but not least, this project works best with teamwork, so grab a buddy and get started. For attaching the string, you can either tie it, tape it, or hot glue it. Make sure the balls are hanging at the same distance from the hanger. Thanks for watching, Junior Giants, and I can't wait to see your projects.